Hello. Welcome to this Canon support tutorial. In this video tutorial, we will show you how to correctly insert a fine ink cartridge into your printer. Turn the printer on, then open the cover. The fine cartridge holder will move to the cartridge replacement position. Do not touch the fine cartridge holder until it stops completely. Ensure that you have purchased the correct fine ink cartridges. Look for the words Genuine and Canon. Some packaging have a Canon hologram. Different Canon packaging will always have the words Genuine and Canon. Look out for Canon logos that are blurred or in the wrong color, font, or size to identify counterfeit products. The packaging may also include spelling errors or look like it has been resealed, reused, or tampered with. Further information about genuine Canon consumables can be found on our website. For the PIXMA TS3300 series, which includes the TS3350, TS3351, TS3352, and TS3355, you require the PG545 and CL546 cartridges. The TS3340, you require the PG445 and CL446 cartridges. These also come in XL versions. The CL546 cartridge is seated on the left. The PG545 cartridge is seated on the right. Remove the fine cartridge from its outer package. Pull back the film on the sealed cartridge holder and remove the cartridge. Peel the protective tape off the fine cartridge. Do not remove the brown electrical cable. Do not touch the electrical contacts or print head. Remove the empty fine cartridge by gently pressing down. If you are inserting ink for the first time, then you will not need to remove C cartridge first. Do not touch the electrical contacts. Insert the new fine cartridge at a slight angle. Then lift and press into place until you hear a click. Both fine cartridges inserted correctly. Note that both cartridges are in line. If a cartridge looks like the one to the left not in line, then reinstall it. If a fine cartridge is not seated correctly, the printer will show an error message after the cover is closed. If the letter E, followed by the number 0, then by 4 appears in the LCD, check that the fine cartridges are installed properly. Once both cartridges are seated correctly and in line, then close the front cover. If you see the display showing a circle bouncing up and down like this, then this indicates that the front cover is still open or has not been closed correctly. Close the cover. After you've inserted the fine cartridges, should an error code occur, then please refer to the user guide for further troubleshooting. The link is shown here. Please note that Canon only guarantees the performance and reliability of your printer when you are using genuine Canon ink cartridges. This concludes the support video on how to insert a fine cartridge into your TS3300 series printer.